If you're a global manufacturer heading into a Microsoft EA renewal, this case study is your wake-up call. A US-based industrial company with 15,000 employees was staring down a bloated Microsoft Enterprise agreement. Microsoft wanted to increase costs by 5%, despite the client carrying 1,200 unused licenses and redundant services across regions. And to make things worse, the engineering team was being pushed toward full M365 E5. Even though most of them didn't use the premium features, that's when Redress Compliance stepped in. First, we audited every license across the client's US, European, and Asian entities. We found a mess: duplicate Office 365 agreements in Europe, hundreds of unassigned seats from a divestiture, and more SQL Server cores than they had hardware for. Next, we rebuilt their license model from scratch. Only 300 users got E5. Everyone else got E3, with optional add-ons like Power BI. We killed the waste. We consolidated global subscriptions into one streamlined contract, and we negotiated regional license portability and a 5% true down clause, something Microsoft rarely grants. On Azure, we pushed Microsoft to activate the hybrid benefit and secured rollover rights for unused cloud spend. If the company dips below its Azure forecast, they don't lose that budget. They shift it to Power Platform or other services. Final outcome, a 20% cost reduction from Microsoft's original quote. That's millions saved. Plus, a simplified, flexible global EA that actually fits how the business runs, not how Microsoft wants to sell. If your Microsoft contract is bloated, rigid, or just doesn't reflect reality, let's fix it. Contact Redress Compliance for a free Microsoft EA review, and let's cut the waste and take control.